The Wizard is truly a wonderful machine. If you manage to get your hands on one, you're going to be really happy with it. It's a dual deck that takes care of tape type selection automatically.
Most people don't have time to shoot videos. Editing, cameras, editing, all of that sort of thing takes a lot of time. UGCVideo.ai removes all of that. You type your script, choose a presenter, and the system does the rest. What you've just seen was the results of about 10 minutes. I had to look at it, think about it, then I had to write the script and put it in. Wow, what a result. I think you'll agree that was pretty good.
Imagine driving down the open road with the perfect blend of comfort, style, and performance.
Well, that one, just what you might call a talking head or a talking body video, only took a few seconds. It's actually a 30-second long video, but you don't want to hear that. I just played with it, and it's one of the setup characters.
You'll find a powerful engine ready to deliver a smooth and exhilarating drive.
Another thing that's strong was how animated and how in time it was. Let me show you the main dashboard. Everything is laid out clearly. Talking videos, UGC, UGC influencers, product videos, templates, and assets. You don't need training. You just click and you make what you want. It's as simple as that. And I'll show you how. Got mine. This is when you start on the home screen here. This is what you've done yourself. So there's sort of a picture of me, and there's my Steve Interesting Davis. And again and again. So there was the first ones I ever made, and we can create a character. In fact, we'll do that now, shall we? Let's do a create a character. So if you want to do a character, you can say, right, okay, let's start from an image, or describe your character, build a character, or influencer generator. Let's try doing this one. Let's do describe your character. Photorealistic. Let's go for photorealistic. And then we go well-spoken, confident, mid-30s, easy to read, and pleasant. I don't know if that's going to work, but let's just give it a go. This is happening in real time. So I will change the word to be what it should be. And a banana, variations. We just want the one. Let's go with slim and tall. We'll go with that. Let's just see what happens. It's only going to use 10 credits, so it's not a problem. It's going to take 4 minutes, so we'll just let it run. I'll obviously cut it down in the actual video. And there we have our new character. See if we can get a young lady, shall we? Then we'll go for another one. Go for another photorealistic. Description, mid-30s, female, pleasant, and confident with, let's try figure eight with, let's see what that comes up with. It's only going to cost another 10 credits, so get that. Mid-30s female. Let's get the spelling right. No. Good. What's this? Posture. Good posture. See what that comes up with. It's going to cost another 10 credits, but that should be ready in 4 minutes. The last one was a very short 4 minutes. See how long this one takes. Ah, now there we go. So we have a perfect couple there. I reckon that's pretty good. Okay. Would you want to buy a used car from her? Yes, you would. Would you want to buy a bottle of perfume from him? Probably. If it was phrased correctly, you know what I mean. So that's the actual characters. Now we can go on to doing an advert. And this is where it gets quite simple, but you have to do what you got to do. Right, product, app reference, image. Right, so we've got to upload something or get a link or use an asset. So let's get a link. Let's go to Amazon. Go to Amazon UK. Okay, so let's go to Amazon UK. Other Amazons are available. And because it's me, maybe I'm interested in those. So I can pull up this image and I can create a QR code for this page or whatever. Let's go into the actual full image jobby. So there's the microphone. We'll do that one. We'll copy the image link and then we'll go into here and we'll paste fetch from URL and we'll paste the image link in there. And it's going to come up with an image, which is that one. So that's what we want. Save that. Now, prompt. Now this is where you can get all flash, or you can do something simple like I'm going to do, which is I'm going to pull up Copilot. And so I just want to marketing in script for a Lavalier mic. It's probably, might have even spelled it right. 10 seconds. Right, so that goes bobbly bobby de bum, clean professional, category web class. Right, so there we go. Alright, so here is what you do is you do a screen grab of that bit, and that you then feed into an AI, and we say Control V, directions, use directions, and the script. Why are you produced to make a prompt? See what it does. There we go. Right. So that's the prompt. It's been made in Copilot. And now what we do is we just post that into there. Now we've got to find a voice. Now, this is the easy bit. If you just want a voice, any old voice, we're going for just find a voice we like. So we want English language because we're English.
The eye sees only what.
But we want.
In Buddhism, there's a concept called Shila, which means
Something
moral
nice.
discipline.
Well begun is half done.
Life is a progress.
You know that feeling when everything just clicks? Yeah, I am telling you.
It is better to be redeemed than
Right, so we want to go for female, young, and excited. Now, we don't want any particular.
I'm Penelope, and I can say whatever I want. Like, I love my brother Evan and Eli.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful little girl named Sabrina living happily until
want to find
one
one with an
day
English accent.
an evil witch appeared and changed everything.
Thanks for having a listen. Let's create something absolutely magical.
All right, that'll do. Double click on there, and it's there. Right, so we have now the prompt. All we've got to do is click on the influencer. So this is where we want to click it. So we've got a female. Add my influencer. We go for her. And then we say generate. It's going to use 20 credits and it's going to produce that. Let's see what comes up. Oh, yeah. Choosing a 916 because that's what most of these product things are like. So it's tall and thin. You can use it as a short. Here we go. It's going to take about 4 minutes, it says. Right, let's see if this is a real 4 minutes. Might well be. You never know. Okay, so let's have a look and see what's happened.
Want to capture every single word with crystal clear precision?
This little lavalier mic keeps your voice front and center, no matter where you record. The intelligent noise cancellation is insane. It completely blocks out background chaos. Plus, that 2.4G wireless connection never drops. I love that it's totally hands-free. It is small, smart, and gives you true studio-quality audio. Upgrade your videos in seconds. Grab yours right now and sound like a pro.
Download, save as, and we go from there. Where am I going to put it? And then we just save it in the thing. So this is the Lavalier. Now, you saw how that worked. That was not very difficult, was it? Okay, now I want to get this bit right, so pardon me if I read. It says, the UGC video AI interface generate, process and final result videos, create character video talking and video motion sync UGI and clone video with templates. The video highlights some of the following key points about it. Doesn't look like AI with strong realism, natural motion and reduced AI generated plastic field designed for advertising conversion. Ports batch content through templates, influencer library asset management and multi-screen generation, reduces costs by replacing people with avatars and influencers, optimized for short-form video platforms such as TikTok, Reels and other social media channels, suitable for web ad e-commerce advertising across multiple industries. New users receive 30 credits upon registration after completing the first generation, as long as the generation task is initiated, and additional 30 credits will be awarded. So what that's basically saying is, get stuck in, give it a go, and you'll get, effectively you should get 2 characters and 2 videos out of your free trial. It should work. Hopefully that means something to you guys, because I can do on there. I'll show you now the actual videos that I've produced, and you can see where they go. And if you watch my channel, you'll find that I'll be using a lot of this in my channel in future anyway, because it's very good. What you should notice particularly is how well synced it is. One of the characters I've got does a dance down the street. That's exactly what I asked him to do. I said just jump up and do a 360, run down, jump up to say something, and you'll see that Steve Interesting Davis did that. And yeah, overall it does what it says. If you follow it through, obviously you're going to get the odd spurious thing which you'll think, well, how did that happen? It's a learning process. It's very easy to learn. You get good results easily. One of the things that did impress me was the video on the, obviously the mics. It actually reads what's in the image. So if you've got stuff in the image, it will read it. And the video on the cassette tape, where it's holding it up, talking about it, it read all of that off it. All I did was just gave it the image and said, get on with it. So as far as generating adverts and quick shorts, it's absolutely phenomenal. It looks real, it sounds real, and it behaves real. Hope this means something to you. If you did, then like, subscribe. There will be a link in the description, and if you want to click on there, you can go through to UGCVideo.ai and you can sign yourself up. I would say it's well worth having a go. What have you got to lose?
Looking for a simple, reliable cassette deck? The TIAC W1200 is exactly what you need. It handles Type 1 and Type 2 tapes for both recording and playback. And yes, it plays Metal Type 4 too. You can tap the front panel or just use the handy IR remote control. So easy. Plus, the built-in noise reduction system, it cleans up the audio beautifully. Honestly, it is a solid, good deck for the money in today's market.
The TIAC W200 is truly a wonderful machine. If you manage to get your hands on one, you're going to be really happy with it. It's a dual cassette deck that takes care of tape type selection automatically, which...
Hello! Welcome to the future!
Looking for a simple, reliable cassette deck? The TIAC W1200 is finally here. It effortlessly handles Type 1 and Type 2 tapes for both recording and playback. Oh, and it plays Metal Type 4 too. Listen to this. It features a built-in noise reduction system that actively cleans up your vintage tapes. Plus, you get a handy IR remote control. Sitting back and enjoying analog audio has never been easier. Honestly, for the money in today's market, this deck is an absolute steal.
Remember the thrill of making the perfect mixtape? I found the Holy Grail. This is exactly the tape we used to hunt for. The brilliant B60. It feels so unmistakably familiar. Look at this classic label. It's a Type 1 low-noise cassette. Your retro playlists will sound incredibly authentic. Grab a pack and bring your vintage deck back to life. You need to hear this.
Some cassette brands made tapes that looked like Type 4 metal, but the tape inside wasn't true metal. In rare cases, the tape was a metal particle mix, but it was engineered to run at Type 2 bias and EQ. That means the shell and formula didn't define the type, the calibration did. If the tape is tuned for Type 2 bias, the deck treats it as Type 2, even if the coating contains metal. So, you can have a metal tape that's officially Type 2 because the chemistry was adjusted to behave like high bias chrome.